Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you easy and legit ways to earn free cryptocurrency. These are the ways I have tested, and it is 100% legit and free. You can also earn free cryptocurrency in these easy ways. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, like, comment, and subscribe so that we can make more amazing videos like this. So without wasting time, let's jump right onto the video. Earning cryptocurrency from games. There are a lot of free cryptocurrency earning games that you can actually get a withdrawal. Out of all those games, I am sharing some of the games I have tried and took withdrawal. The first game we are talking about is Bling Games. This game company has over 10 million users worldwide and over $2 million of Bitcoin already paid out to users. The best part about this game is that there are levels in the game, and whether win or lose those levels, you always earn, and you can actually cash out your earnings on the first day of your play. This is amazing. As of now, there are 9 games available for Android, iOS, and Windows. Check out this game if you have not tried before. The next game we are talking about is R.LUM.R. R.LUM.R is a free crypto mining simulation game where you can actually earn crypto for free by playing games and doing tasks and competing against your friends to see who mines crypto better. You can increase your mining power by simply playing games. The more you increase your mining power, the more you earn. You can earn different coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Solana, and a lot of other coins as well. You can sell your earned items to your friends in-game for cash, and also buy items to increase our mining power. As of now, the game is pretty legit. The best part about this game is you can get free 1000 Satoshi for just signing up. This is amazing. So check out. The next way to earn crypto for free is CryptoTab browser. CryptoTab browser is the world's first browser with mining features. CryptoTab lets you earn crypto just for simply using their browser. You can earn while watching videos, chatting, or gaming online. There are over 35 million users worldwide currently using CryptoTab. The best part about this browser is that withdrawals are clean and fast, and you can also buy cloud boost to multiply your mining income. You can also increase your mining income by inviting new users to your mining network. Free crypto for browsing. Sounds amazing. The next option is claiming free crypto airdrops. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, understanding airdrops and where to find them can potentially unlock valuable opportunities. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Have you ever heard of crypto airdrops? If not, you're in for a treat. Airdrops are essentially free distributions of cryptocurrencies or tokens to wallet addresses. Crypto airdrops occur when blockchain projects distribute free tokens to holders of a particular cryptocurrency. Now that you know what airdrops are, you're probably wondering where to find them. Several websites and platforms specialize in aggregating information about ongoing and upcoming airdrops. Here are a few reliable ones. Airdrop Alert. Airdrop Alert is a user-friendly platform that provides comprehensive listings of airdrops from various blockchain projects. You can filter airdrops based on criteria such as token type, estimated value, and participation requirements. Airdrop Bob. Airdrop Bob offers a curated selection of airdrops, along with detailed instructions on how to participate. The platform categorizes airdrops by their expiration date, making it easy to stay updated on upcoming opportunities. CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, a popular cryptocurrency market data website, features a dedicated section for airdrops. Here, you can explore ongoing and upcoming airdrops, as well as learn about the projects behind them. Twitter and Telegram. Many blockchain projects announce their airdrops on social media platforms like Twitter and Telegram. By following official project accounts and joining relevant Telegram groups, you can stay informed about the latest airdrop opportunities. The next option is paid-per-click earnings. How does paid-per-click faucet earning work? Paid-per-click faucet crypto earning works on a simple principle. Users earn cryptocurrency by completing small tasks, typically clicking on advertisements or completing short surveys or offers. Here's how it generally works. Sign up. Users sign up for a pay-per-click faucet platform, which usually requires providing an email address or creating an account. Tasks. Once signed up, users are presented with a variety of tasks to complete. These tasks often include clicking on ads, watching videos, completing surveys, installing apps, or other similar activities. Earn rewards. After completing a task, users earn a certain amount of cryptocurrency. The amount earned varies depending on the task and the platform. Sometimes, the rewards are directly in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. Other times, they're in the form of points that can be later converted into cryptocurrency. Withdrawal. Once users accumulate a certain amount of cryptocurrency or points, they can usually request a withdrawal. Withdrawal methods may vary depending on the platform and can include transferring the earned cryptocurrency to a digital wallet or exchanging it for fiat currency.